12 noon, and it's time now for the Weather Magician with PJ Wiggins, the Noontime Report.
Hallway and 3 bedrooms of carpet complete.
Friday, August 16th, 2013. Good evening, everybody, and good afternoon. Our current conditions at noontime in North Massachusetts. We have a temperature of 77 degrees with a humidity of 42%. Wind speed west about 8 miles per hour, barometer 3.15 inches, 2.52 degrees, visibility 10 miles, and heat index of 78 degrees. Alright, let's take a look at our radar scope.
What you need to know before you go see the Patriots. And the weekend getting off to a bright start. I'll tell you about the heat that will soon return.
From Boston's news leader, this is WCBD News Center 5 midday.
Identified as Jared Remy, date of birth 9/7/78, was placed under arrest.
And a couple of rain showers in the southern North Carolina and through South Carolina, stretching through Georgia. A couple of rain showers and the showers and thunderstorms stretching in northern Florida, stretching off the Gulf of Mexico, stretching through central Texas and the Atlantic, showers off the Florida coastline, stretching up the eastern seaboard. And a couple of batch of rain showers in northern Kansas, and a couple of
This attack. Let's get you up to talk Cascades.
big Carolina showers in western British Columbia, stretch of British Columbia, and northern Alberta, stretch of central Alberta, and a couple of batch of showers in southern Idaho, and a couple of blob showers in Wyoming, and the western and central South Dakota, a couple of batch of showers in Quebec. Alright, so I open it shows.
Led to the murder of his girlfriend. Prosecutors say that it started as an argument inside the town.
Couple of line of clouds in Virginia, stretching through the Carolinas into Georgia, and stretching in the central Gulf, straight into the Gulf of Mexico, and a couple of popcorn clusters of clouds in Florida, stretching off the Atlantic.
Numerous eyewitnesses.
Florida coasting through the eastern seaboard, stretching off the Nova Scotia coastline, and a couple of patches of clouds in eastern Mexico, and a couple of patches of clouds in western Mexico. A couple of line of clouds in northern Texas, stretching for southern Oklahoma, and through Arkansas down to Missouri, stretching for Illinois and Indiana, stretching northwest in Ohio, and a couple of patches of clouds in northern Oregon, stretching through Washington State, stretching northern Idaho down to the southern British Columbia, a couple of patches of clouds in the British Columbia, stretching through Alberta, stretching into southern Alberta, and a couple of batch of clouds in northern Manitoba, stretching out northern Ontario and into Hudson Bay. And a couple of batch of clouds in northern Quebec, stretching off the Quebec coastline. And alright, let's take a look at our tropics, and it shows now tropical depression area movement 17 miles per hour, 295 degrees. Wind speed 35, gusting about to 45, and the pressure 1,008 millibars. And it's going to move to the northwest and stay at tropical depression here. And a low invest 92 will. Movement 10 miles per hour, 315 degrees. Wind speed 30 miles per hour. Alright, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Goes like this. For this afternoon, most of the sunny skies will be high near 80 degrees. West wind about 7 miles per hour. Tonight, most of the clear skies low in 55 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 miles per hour, becoming calm in the evening. Saturday, sunny skies high near 81 degrees. Calm wind becoming east about 6 miles per hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, podcast skies low in 56 degrees. Slight variable winds. Sunday, most sunny skies high near 81 degrees. Calm wind becoming south about 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Sunday night, most of the cloud skies low in 58 degrees. Monday, partly sunny skies high near 83 degrees. Monday night, most of the cloud skies low in 62 degrees. Tuesday, most of the sunny skies high near 85 degrees. Tuesday night, partly cloud skies low in 62 degrees. Wednesday, sunny skies high near 86 degrees. Wednesday night, most of the clear skies low in 64 degrees. And Thursday, sunny skies high near 87 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the day. A fantastic Friday on tap for today. This is PJ Winston. I hope you have a good day with a good positive attitude. Here.
Out to the Martell family. So far, no word from